Hello, my name's Kia. Welcome to Carrots and Calendula. Today I'm going to show you how to sow sweet pea and broad bean seeds. If you like my channel, please like or subscribe. Thank you. Hello and welcome to Carrots and Calendula with me, Kia Byrne. Today I am planting some sweet peas and also some broad beans. Now I'm rather late in the year to be planting both of these. It's the 25th of February. I could have planted the broad beans a month ago, and I could have sowed the sweet pea seeds back in October, but at least I'm just getting in there before the end of winter because it's the 1st of March on Friday. So I've got here 2 trays and I've filled them with toilet rolls, which I've been saving because I'm trying to be environmentally friendly this year in the pots that I use. Some old cardboard pots that I've got. I have got a few plastic pots. I'm not going to buy any new ones this year, but I am going to reuse the old ones that I've got. And then I have filled these with some John Innes seed and cutting compost. As you can see, it's a bit hard to get it into these toilet rolls, so I've got some in between, but never mind. Now I have already planted up this tray with some of these Old Spice mixed, which is a lovely heavily perfumed heritage climber. And then I'm trying a couple of new varieties of sweet pea this year. The first one is Darcy Bustle, which is described as purple stripe on cream ground, a tall Spencer type. And these are from Roger Parsons Sweet Peas, who are based in Chichester, Bracklesham Bay, Chichester. That sounds nice, doesn't it? And I got these at Seedy Saturday, an event near us here in East Sussex. Now, these are some sweet pea seeds that I got at the Chelsea Flower Show last year from my favourite sweet pea stall there, Eagle Sweet Peas. They're based in Stowe by Chartley, Stafford, and they are by appointment to Her Majesty the Queen, supplier of sweet pea seeds. I love the name Ballerina Blue. So, it's got to be sown by April 2020. Let's get in there and see how many we've got. Oh, I've got quite a few. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right, let me start. I'll start at the top left hand corner, then I know what I'm doing. I'm just poking them into the seed compost about 1 inch down and then just firming it again a bit over them. So that's good. And then actually, because it's so warm, unusually warm this year, and I've got a bit of a lack of windowsill space in my house, but no greenhouse sadly, not yet, I'm going to leave them here on this potting bench in the shed, which is in a nice sunny spot, but not too sunny. Get sun in the afternoon, but not all day. So hopefully they'll like it here, and hopefully it won't get too cold at night. If it does, I will bring them in to the house. But sweet peas, certainly once they've germinated, they're fairly hardy. I think you'd call them half hardy, but they're fairly resilient. In fact, I've got some seeds that self-sowed from the sweet peas I planted last year, and they've self-sowed outside, and I've got some little seedlings already in one of the raised beds in our front garden. So right, so that's nearly all 15, and I'm going to have to remember where I've stopped there. So I'm just going to use this as, I've got some little markers here, I think. I'm just going to use this as a marker now, so I don't know which is my last one, and then I'm going to go and get some labels for them so I know what I'm doing. Oh, actually I've got some labels under here, but I know that those are my Ballerina Blue, and I know in here I've got some Darcy Bustle and some Old Spice mixed. So I haven't got a pen on me, but I will come back out and write the names on and the dates when I sowed them. Now, here are some of my broad beans. I've grown these ones before. They're probably a bit out of date, yes. best before 2018, I think that's saying, but let's give them a go. I've also got some new ones that I got at CD Saturday, a heritage variety called Aqua Dulce Claudia. These are very popular Bunyards exhibition. So I'm going to put those in a little bit further down than the sweet peas. There we go. I absolutely love broad beans. They're so delicious. You can make lovely risottos with them or salads in summer. I almost always get black fly on my broad beans, despite growing calendula nearby to try and deter the black fly. But you just wash them off with soapy water. I've got so many in here, I might not use all of them because I do want to try that other Aqua Dulce variety. So let's press those down. Do feel a little bit dried out, so I don't know how successful I'm going to be with those. Right, I'm going to take those outside and water them in a minute. But I'll just plant up some more broad beans first. So let's try the Aqua Dulce Claudia in here, which just sounds like a lovely variety to me. And this is Plant Heritage, and they come from Guildford. So let's have a look. And I'll give them their own pot. I was going to plant 3 to a pot, but hey, I'm feeling generous. So again, just pressing them down into the cutting compost, just using my fingers. It's nice to feel the soil under your fingernails. There we go. And there's that 4, 5. So I haven't got quite so many in here. Maybe that's because they're a heritage variety. Oh, how many I've got? So that's 5, and I've got another 6, 7, 8 there. So press those down. Maybe I should have done these 3 to a pot, but hey, I've got another pot underneath. There we go. And hopefully those will come up in a week or 2. And then I will keep them under cover for another couple of weeks, and I won't plant them out until all risk of frost has passed, which here in East Sussex is normally quite early on in the year. Oops, nearly lost you then. Alright, let's pop that back, and I've got 4 more of these ones to put in. The Aqua Dulce Claudia, it's such a lovely name. And then I'm going to use the rest of these pots to plant a few more Bunyards exhibition, and I wonder how they'll be different. I have to wait and see. So when I have planted all of these, I'm going to take them outside onto our sunny patio, and I'm going to water them. And then I'm going to bring them back in here under cover where they've got a bit of warmth, not too much, because I don't think these beans and sweet peas don't need too much costing. Some seeds really need a nice warm bottom to get them going, but I'm hoping these will be okay. We'll just have to wait and see, won't we? Right, so that's 4 trays of sweet peas and broad beans, which should keep me going, with hopefully some seedlings ready to plant out in about 3 to 4 weeks' time.